So that's kind of the whole reason why I absolutely love the Linnpower Zephyr Max.
Do it like, do it like, do it like, making time stand still, found a way to make it work, making time stand still, found a way to make it work.
So I was just talking to my good friends, Scott Davies on Lincoln down below, and Fred for Eastgate Unity. And you know, it's one of those things where we have this incredible opportunity to test and retest and go after these new boards that come out and be able to try to translate how we feel to you, the consumer, and be able to be like mind meld with you guys and be like, yo, this thing feels like this. You know, I always try to explain it via the wah-pa factor, which is obviously the best way to describe anything. But I am coming back to the Linnpower Zephyr Max now after a few months of releasing this board and being able to ride it whenever I was able to get back on it. It always brought a smile to my face, and it feels like an undersung hero from the Linnpower lineup. Now, obviously, with the one and new ones coming out, like the Overlander and a few other boards, this board still holds in a phenomenal place for being a 2-in-1 option board. CNC hubs, CNC double kingpin trucks with custom pivot cups as well too, which is a massive feature in my opinion. You don't realize how much R&D goes into it. If they have to think about customizing their own pivot cups, then what else have they also thought about during this entire process? This small, little tiny pivot point that's on this guy right here, green putt right there, that is another one in there too. If they had to think about that, customizing their own, basically CNC part, then what else do they have to think about on this entire thing? So it just needed to be revisited and talked about. 100 amp ESC with toll set packed mosfets inside there, which is basically just reduces the heat as far as nerds are concerned in that sense. Better longevity for the ESC and more power to the actual motors, 6374 motors as well too. This thing just wants to rip. But the whole point about this, in my opinion, is the car ride feel. The ability to just get this car ride feel out of this board is just beautiful. Now, granted, the 85mm wheels, a little too small in my opinion for a 2-in-1 style board like this, but these CNC wheels with these brand new 6-inch wheels on here, chef's kiss. Phenomenal grip, power, absolutely beautiful. Truly, just a fantastic product. Shut up and just
Making time stand still, found a way to make it work. Making time stand still, found a way to make it work. Making time stand still, found a way to make it work. Making time stand still, found a way to make it work.
yeah, baby. This thing can get up and boogie too. Woo! Yeah, that 100 amp ESC paired with that 6374 motors, this thing wants to dump power for you. Now, I am in S Plus mode, which is the highest mode. Honestly, it's a rocket. And even with double kingpin, you're still able to hit comfortably at 25 miles an hour and be able to just hold that position. So if you are kind of a speed demon, these double kingpins can definitely get you well up to speed. But in my opinion, dude, glowing car ride feel, baby. All about this. Like what? Do one part like this. Oh my god. Phenomenal. And then just rip it out of it. Something about double kingpin boards that just have that surf snowboard vibe. And they just feel phenomenal. especially on a proper set of wheels, beautifully set up. I mean, but like you can literally just hold angles on this thing that are insane. Insane. I mean, absolutely insane. That's just ridiculous insane that I could pretty much keep my head on this line here and just do a circle and be able to just feel that wah-pa factor. Just cut back, just sit so deep in this thing. It feels phenomenal. And then just be able to like hammer down. You! Yeah. It is so fun. It is so fun. I love the subtle drop down in the front and in the rear. It just gives confidence to you and you know exactly where your foot placement is. Now I am a US size 11 and I'm really not hanging over on either side of this, so it is definitely a good size board for my shoulder width apart. So basically my feet over shoulder width feels really locked in, nice and stable. Plenty of room for you to lock your feet in and just whoppa! Double kingpin. With just all the confidence in the world on this grip. Stupid amount of turning radius. I'm still able to rip it. Yeah, I mean, nothing like a double kingpin. It is something that is, in my opinion, the closest thing to that surf feel, where you're able to get that bottom turn on the wave, hit the top of the wave, snap back, like all of that on a double kingpin is exactly the feeling that I can get. And then snowboarding as well too, just deep carve, like just deep carve. You can see like how far I've been sitting in this thing. Pull it all the way back in. You're able to pull it back into you. Just like a surfer. Pull it back in. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal feeling. Love it. So that's kind of the whole reason why I absolutely love the Linnpower Zephyr Max. I think that people, when the first Zephyr came out, as phenomenal as that was, just a smaller wheelbase for them and the deck just a little shorter than what they were anticipating. Insane price for what it was, and this is still an insane price for what this is. I mean, a 14S4P with this setup for a 2-in-1 for around $1,000 or even cheaper with the discount code, like there is a lot to love about this board. And honestly, I mean, like I said, hence why I'm revisiting it, why I feel like I needed to make another video on it, is because I wanted it to be still the unsung hero, if you will, of it all. I think it really needs to kind of showcase it in a better light here, and hopefully you guys can see that on here. Again, the beauty and the curse of being able to test all these boards is not being able to ride as much as we wanted to on the ones we really want to keep pushing and testing out, because you just have another board or another project or life or wife or kids or anything else under the sun. So no excuses in my opinion, but just like I revisited this one time and time again and just kind of kept putting more board miles on it, and I just wanted to kind of just showcase again how I feel like this thing really truly is a worthwhile investment if someone is looking for that double kingpin, long distance range, powerful board as well too. And a 2-in-1 comes with the 2 sets of tires. These tires, the CNC quick release hubs, which is fantastic, and the 85mm wheels as well too. can slap those on here if you truly want to, or you can bring them to another board. Totally different option. But yeah, man, this thing feels so good. Feels so good, so dialed in. Yeah. Until next time, see you in the next one. Hope you enjoy this like quick updates. I think I'm gonna try to keep doing these quick updates. I think they're fun. So, all right, see you later. Peace.